Four-laning project was undertaken by National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) to connect Assam and Nagaland at Karbi Anglong. Some sections of the road were constructed completely, while some sections are underway, and in some sections the construction work just initiated. But look at this visual. In this horrifying visual, you can see the rods coming out at the middle of the road without any indication of dangers. NHAI are not following the guidelines for safety measures. Have a proper look at these rods. Every day, more than thousands of vehicles passes through this national highway, but the roads erected from the concrete of the ongoing construction of RCC Bridge near Denarong Market is not less than a death trap for the daily commuters.
Cycle pen ke patong pusonta alam ki dolo la son nak taksi jo la haya road mokha ke alang litum ben bet mate la tum alang litum safety measurement and veg nangji sitame en epc alang litum four lane la bangso ke semar la baga to walo jo la kangri kan kra ke be ka tum ta tuji mami ke ajo phirlo ke thek long le tum ta tuji.
Not only this, several reports of accidents were also reported due to non-provision of radium lights along the national highway and non-provision of signs for bad roads, potholes and gutters in the middle of the road. Likewise, at Denarong areas where the four-laning process is going on, dust and dirt produced from the construction site had contaminated the air in the region due to non-spraying of water on the roads by the NHAI.
Lason nak taksi penang ana dim alang litum towar ki hudalong sida me alang litum radium light bipon pe lason light ki bipon pe ajo penang an pai katum las boson kacing koi alam ki sida me klang follow non make den open become theron Karbi Anglong live.
Bikram Teron's report from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live.